God's healing restoration. Let's reflect on Kintsugi, an ancient art form from Japan. Kintsugi repairs what was once broken pottery and celebrates its imperfections by highlighting them with golden lacquer, making them beautiful. However, it goes beyond fixing physical pottery. It's a metaphor for God's grace and healing in our lives. Take a few moments now and visualize in your mind's eye a broken piece of pottery, its shards scattered. This pottery represents your life, with its many fragments symbolizing the despair and disappointments you've encountered. Now imagine God, the divine artist, full of compassion and boundless grace, carefully collecting each fragment of your life, each sliver of heartache, each shard of disappointment. Now picture God's love flowing into the fractures, filling them with golden light. His endless compassion and His healing power. He doesn't discard the broken or overlook the wounded. Instead, He lovingly and patiently restores you piece by piece. Take a moment now and feel yourself whole. Feel yourself as a peaceful being, and feel God's acceptance of you. Release any lingering doubts or fears. Visualize yourself transform into a beautiful piece of art, gleaming with golden lines of resilience and redemption. These lines, once signs of failure, now illuminate God's love, power, and grace. Visualize yourself as this Kintsugi masterpiece, beautifully imperfect, yet gloriously restored. Each golden seam tells a story of tenacity, absolution, and God's loving hand. His love permeates every crack, every scar, filling you with light, strength, and grace. We are never too damaged for His healing, never too broken for His love. Breathe in this truth. You are a vessel of God's love. Breathe out the old narratives of defeat and failure. You're not simply mended, You are reborn with a purpose, a testament of God's unfailing love. You are a masterpiece, beautiful in your broken places, just like Kintsugi. The golden light within your fractures is God's love shining through, making you whole again, beautifully mended in His grace and love. Om Shanti, I am peace.